The video is used to demonstrate the installation. The appearance and configuration in Natura are decisive. Here are all the parts you have. Pictures are for reference only. Please refer to the actual purchased product. Here are all the parts you have. Pictures are for reference only. Please refer to the actual purchased product. Let's start the installation. The thickness of the worktop should be less than 40 millimeters. Recommended opening diameter, 35 millimeters. Leave 100 millimeters from the hole to the wall. Always check that the bottom seal is intact. If the thickness is more than 20 millimeters, skip the step to mount the triangle stabilizer. Make sure to mount the O-rings in the correct order. The screws are locked one after another. Wrap the nut in a towel. If the water flow is reduced, the bubble can be cleaned to clog it.